Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get Meta AI chat on WhatsApp. First, open the App Store or Play Store on your mobile device and search for WhatsApp. Now, make sure to update it to the latest version available. After updating, open up WhatsApp and all of your recent chats will be displayed on your screen. Simply tap on the top search bar and search for Meta AI. Now, access the chat and then start typing in your queries. You can ask the AI assistant various questions or give it prompts, and it will respond accordingly. One of the cool features of the Meta AI chat is the ability to generate images. To do this, simply type /imagine and then describe the type of image you want. The AI will then generate an image based on your description. There's another neat feature that you can try out. Simply get to a chat with your friend and tap on the sticker icon. Now select Use AI from the menu and describe the type of sticker you want to generate. After you find the preferred one, tap on it and it will be sent to the target person. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.